Dear one, this is time for you to let the world hear your voice. You are about to shine. You are about to shine bright. You are about to rise higher. You are about to receive it all. And you will receive in grace and gratitude. All your dreams, your desires, your wishes will become reality. All your prayers will be answered, and you will reap the reward. This is your harvest season. This is the season where your dreams will come true. We love you so much, dear one. Take care. Thank you. God bless you.